Let's use free 3D SketchUp plus AI in making a bedroom. As this is a free version, your preferred workspace is not being saved. I always prefer clean white background when working. And changing the length unit to millimeter. Here I will be creating a room of 4500 by 4000 millimeter size. Simply type in 4500, 4000. Then we will create a wall with thickness to create the room. Type in the thickness, let's have 100 millimeter first. Type in 100. Double-click the surface of the wall on plan and create a group. Make it a habit to put objects in group or component. Now use protrude command to create the 3D for walls. Type in 2700 or whichever height you prefers. You can also use 2400 or 2100 if project is in a budget. Create rectangle for the floor finish. We will be using 3D warehouse for all the objects that we needed, like windows, doors and the furniture. As this is a free version, choose the best model you can find at a lowest file size, as it will prompt notifications of apps slowing down or other issues which we don't want. You can preview the model before downloading to check if it's ideal to your project. I am modifying the thickness to 150 mm as it is considered an external wall. Use rectangle then protrude command to create a hole for the window. Let's use rotate command to correct the window orientation. To modify the window thickness to match our wall, we will be using scale command. Use the 3D warehouse again to download all the objects like door, furniture and lighting. I will be choosing a door that is open just to showcase to you how to use scene in saving views for your images. Let's use the flip command to reorient the door opening. Open the material box to modify the door frame to match our window frame. As this is a free version, the commands are limited. On the paid version, you can use eyedrop command to match materials. On the free version, you just match by look or by checking the material name. As we are avoiding the large file size, choose the small file size that looks nicer, then just modify it. Use rotate command and move command to reorient the location of the bed. Check the dimension if you still needs to modify its size. Use tape measure to create a guide for your new size. Then use scale command. Start modifying the materials. I intend to import materials for wood but end up using the design of the panel as well. I just use the available flooring from the free version. Let's continue downloading all the furniture, lighting, and accessories needed. I have modified the desk to be at least 600 mm depth. Now let's use scenes to create views. Make it a habit to rename your scenes for easy navigating between views. I'll create another video focusing on this camera and standard views under Scenes commands. Click Update each time you modify your scenes. As this side tables are identical, you can have them as components, so you only need to modify one of them. You can check out my other video for the commands you can use for free SketchUp 3D. I will have the door open or close on some of the views by hiding and unhiding it on each views. You can export the images to PNG file. To render the image, I will be using AI of Microsoft's Copilot and Google's Gemini. If you give a more detailed description of what you want for your 3D result, the better. I am using both Microsoft's Copilot and Google's Gemini and will just choose who will give me better results. The speed of AI's rendering depends on your network connection. You can download each renderings to your machine. Render all your views, giving it precise descriptions as you can. This is the first views render from Gemini. This one's from Copilot. Which ones do you prefer? Comment down your preference. Continue to ask those AIs for the other views or to improve the results. The spotlight is on the artwork. You can ask AI again to correct the image. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see next. And if you are enjoying this type of content, kindly subscribe and give us a like for us to continue sharing our videos. As always, thank you for watching.